Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete YouTube history. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the YouTube application. Click on the profile picture at the bottom right, which is the U button. Then click on settings at the top right. Under settings, locate and click on manage all history. Now once you click on manage all history, this is going to open the built-in browser and the YouTube application. Now to delete all your history, make sure history is selected under YouTube history, then come to where you see delete. Click on it, click on delete all time. Then should say confirm you would like to delete the following activity. This action cannot be undone and this will disable YouTube video that rely on YouTube history to personalize your experience. Click on delete and a spot that says deletion complete. Click on OK. Now if you go back to your YouTube account, it should say that all your YouTube history is gone and YouTube will no longer be able to personalize your experience. And then you're good. So that's exactly how to delete all YouTube history from your account. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.